Hello folks, hope you guys be fine. Today is our first episode of syrup making series, and today's syrup is simple syrup. Yes, you heard it right. One of the simplest like it name and the most used syrup in cold bar. It comes in two main ratios, 1:1 and rich simple syrup, which has higher density of sugar. And we will make 1:1 ratio. Well, let's make it together. Start with boiling 250 milliliters water, and we already have boiled our water. Then add 250 grams of white sugar very slowly. And then stir it slowly until all the sugar dissolves in water. And don't forget to turn down your heat because we don't want our syrup get caramelized. And we want a very smooth texture of our syrup, so don't forget it. After all the sugar dissolves, we let our syrup cool down until room temperature. Congratulations! Your simple syrup is ready. Now you could use it to sweeten your drinks, and it could be last in fridge at least for a month. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your comments down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Be safe, guys!